Imagine this for a moment. You apply for a credit card, or maybe a car loan, or even an apartment, and instead of approval, you get a message. Your credit score is too low. It feels frustrating because you might be thinking, I pay my bills. I work hard. So why is my credit score holding me back? The truth is, most people were never taught how credit scores actually work. But once you understand the system, you can start improving your score much faster than you think. Today, we're going to talk about simple FICO credit score hacks. Not tricks, not shortcuts, just practical habits that can slowly push your score higher and open more financial doors in the future. First, let's understand one important idea. Your credit score is not random. It is calculated using a few key factors: payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, credit mix, and new credit inquiries. When you improve these areas, your score usually follows. Let's start with the most important one: paying your bills on time. This single factor makes up the biggest part of your credit score. Every time you miss a payment, it sends a signal to lenders that you might be risky. But when you consistently pay on time, month after month, your credit history starts to build trust. A simple trick that helps many people is setting automatic payments, or at least setting reminders on your phone. One small habit can protect your credit score for years. Now let's talk about something called credit utilization. This simply means how much of your available credit you are using. For example, if your credit limit is $1,000 and you're using $800, your utilization is very high, and high utilization can hurt your score. Many experts recommend keeping it below 30%, so if your limit is $1,000, try to keep your balance below $300. Lower balances show lenders that you are managing credit responsibly. Another helpful step is checking your credit report regularly. Sometimes errors happen. A late payment might appear that should not be there, or an account may be reported incorrectly. If you never check your report, you may never notice the mistake. Reviewing your credit report once in a while helps you catch these problems early, and if you find an error, you can dispute it and have it corrected. Next comes something people often overlook: the length of your credit history. Older accounts actually help your score. This is why closing your oldest credit card sometimes hurts more than people expect. Even if you do not use the card often, keeping it open can help maintain a longer credit history. Patience also plays a big role in credit scores. Improving your score is not something that happens overnight, but small improvements add up. Paying on time, keeping balances low, avoiding unnecessary credit applications. These habits slowly push your score upward. Over time, those small changes can turn into big improvements, and a stronger credit score creates opportunities. Lower interest rates, better loan approvals, more financial flexibility. So the real goal is not just raising a number, it's building financial trust. And the good news is, anyone can start doing that today. Small habits, consistent effort, and a little patience. That's how strong credit is built. If this video helped you understand credit scores a little better, press the like button so more people can learn these ideas, and subscribe if you want more simple tips about money, credit, and financial growth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.